Hello viewers, welcome to Memory Unleashed, the channel where we unlock the mysteries of your mind and help you tap into your limitless potential. I'm Peter, your friendly guide on this fascinating journey. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our mind-boggling content. Today, we have a mind-blowing topic that you've all been waiting for: how to reprogram your subconscious mind. Are you ready to dive deep into the subconscious ocean? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an adventure that will change the way you think forever. The subconscious mind, the powerhouse of our thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors. It's like the hidden control room of our lives, shaping our reality without us even realizing it. But fear not, because today, we're going to unveil the secrets to reprogramming it and unleashing your true potential. Imagine having the ability to manifest your dreams, conquer your fears, and achieve your goals effortlessly. Well, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with powerful techniques to do just that. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of reprogramming the subconscious mind, let's understand what it actually is. You see, your subconscious mind is like a supercomputer, constantly processing information and running programs that shape your thoughts and actions. It's like the autopilot of your mind, steering you through life based on the beliefs and experiences stored within it. But here's the catch: these programs aren't always helpful or empowering. In fact, they can often hold us back, keeping us stuck in self-doubt, fear, and limiting beliefs. So, how do we reprogram this powerful supercomputer to work in our favor? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to reveal some mind-blowing techniques that will transform your life. But before we get into the how, let's delve a bit deeper into the why. Why should you bother reprogramming your subconscious mind? The answer is simple: to unlock your true potential and live the life you've always dreamed of. Imagine waking up every morning feeling confident, motivated, and ready to conquer the world. Picture yourself effortlessly attracting abundance, love, and success into your life. Visualize a reality where your mind is your greatest ally, supporting you in every endeavor. Well, guess what? It's all possible, and it starts with reprogramming your subconscious mind. Now, let's talk science. Reprogramming your subconscious mind isn't some woo-woo magic, it's grounded in neuroscience and psychology. Our brains possess a remarkable ability called neuroplasticity, which means they can form new neural connections and pathways throughout our lives. This incredible feature allows us to reshape our thoughts, behaviors, and beliefs by rewiring our brain circuits. So, how do we tap into this neuroplasticity and reprogram our subconscious mind? Well, it all begins with awareness. Becoming aware of your thoughts and beliefs is the first step toward transformation. Take a moment to reflect on your inner dialogue. Are your thoughts empowering and positive, or do they tend to be self-critical and negative? Awareness is the key that opens the door to change. One of the most effective ways to increase awareness is through journaling. Grab a journal and start writing down your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. Be honest with yourself and explore the patterns that emerge. By putting your thoughts on paper, you gain clarity and insight into your subconscious programming. It's like shining a light on the hidden corners of your mind. But journaling is just the beginning. To reprogram your subconscious mind, you need to replace old, limiting beliefs with new, empowering ones. And for that, we have a special guest expert today, Dr. Emily Thompson, a renowned psychologist and expert in subconscious reprogramming. Reprogramming the subconscious mind is a transformative journey, and I'm delighted to share some powerful techniques with our viewers. One of the most effective methods I recommend is positive affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly, reinforcing new beliefs and attitudes. They act as a gentle but persistent voice that guides your subconscious mind toward positive change. Affirmations are like planting seeds in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind. With consistent repetition, these seeds grow into empowering beliefs that shape your reality. Dr. Thompson, could you share an example of a powerful affirmation with our viewers? Absolutely. One powerful affirmation you can use is, "I am worthy of love, success, and abundance." Repeat this affirmation daily, especially in the morning and before bedtime. Say it with conviction and belief, as if it's already true. Over time, you'll notice a shift in your thoughts and feelings, aligning with this positive belief. I am worthy of love, success, and abundance. See, it's that easy. By incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine, you're reprogramming your subconscious mind to attract love, success, and abundance into your life. But wait, there's more. Another potent technique for reprogramming the subconscious mind is visualization. Visualization is the process of creating vivid mental images of your desired outcomes. When you visualize your goals with intensity and emotion, you send powerful signals to your subconscious mind, programming it to work tirelessly toward manifesting your dreams. Whether you want to achieve career success, improve your relationships, or enhance your health, visualization can pave the way for your dreams to become reality. Close your eyes, picture your goals as if they've already come true, and feel the emotions associated with your achievements. The more detailed and vibrant your visualizations, the stronger the impact on your subconscious mind. Now, let's take a moment to practice a guided visualization exercise together. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. Imagine yourself in a place where you feel utterly happy and at peace. It could be a beach, a forest, or any serene location. Feel the warm sun on your skin, hear the gentle rustle of leaves, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of this place. As you visualize your goals in this peaceful environment, feel the emotions bubbling up within you. Feel the excitement, the joy, and the fulfillment as if your dreams have already come true. Hold on to these feelings and let them seep into your subconscious mind, programming it to align with your desires. I hope you enjoyed the guided visualization exercise. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reprogramming your subconscious mind. Make positive affirmations and visualization a part of your daily routine, and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. Another fantastic tool for subconscious reprogramming is creating a vision board. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals and aspirations. It's a collage of images, quotes, and affirmations that inspire and motivate you. By surrounding yourself with these positive visuals, you immerse your subconscious mind in a sea of endless possibilities. Let your creativity flow as you cut out images and words from magazines, print out inspirational quotes, and arrange them on a board. Your vision board should evoke strong positive emotions and resonate deeply with your desires. Place it in a prominent place where you'll see it every day, and let it serve as a constant reminder of the amazing future you're creating. As we come to the end of this transformative journey, I want you to understand the immense power you hold within. Your subconscious mind is a treasure trove of infinite potential, waiting to be unlocked. By reprogramming it with positive affirmations, visualization, and a compelling vision board, you're rewriting the script of your life. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality, break free from limitations, and create a life that fills you with joy and fulfillment. It all begins within your subconscious mind. So, embrace the journey, trust the process, and let the magic of reprogramming unleash your true potential. Thank you for joining us today on Memory Unleashed. I hope you found this video enlightening and empowering. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more mind-expanding content. Until next time, keep exploring the depths of your mind, and remember, your potential is truly limitless. Take care and stay empowered.